Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best camping cots in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these camping cots, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Osage River Standard Folding Camping Cot. From setup to breakdown, the Osage River Standard Folding Camping Cot was a tester favorite, earning the highest scores in every one of our testing categories over our 6-month testing period. We discovered that the cot can easily be assembled by stretching out the canvas fabric over the metal frame that folds out, and it simply folds back down when the time comes. It's super convenient and easy to get in and out of its storage bag, and it takes less than a minute to set up and fold up. The cot fits perfectly in its carrying bag and is easy to transport to and from the car. Although it might be a little big to carry far distances, it's extremely portable for car campgrounds or to use around the house. We used the cot during a camping trip, and we're impressed that the size is convenient for both placing in a tent and getting a comfortable night's sleep. One 6-foot-tall tester said it was plenty long enough for them to fit comfortably on it. The build and materials of the cot feel exceptionally sturdy and durable, so we're confident it will last for years to come. And if you weren't already sold, the affordable price of this cot makes it a no-brainer. Reasons to buy. The cot is a breeze to set up and was long enough to comfortably fit our 6-foot-tall tester. Reasons to avoid. It's a little too big to carry long distances. Number 2. Helinox Lite Camp Cot. If you have some wiggle room in your camping cot budget, the Helinox Lite Cot is worth the splurge thanks to its ultra-lightweight and comfortable design. Helinox is known for its lightweight outdoor gear, and we found that they deliver on expectations with this 2-pound cot. Although the width is on the smaller side at 23.5 inches, we love that 2 cots could easily fit in a smaller tent if needed. The cot doesn't weigh much more than backpacking pads and definitely weighs less than some more plush air mattresses. The long, thin design of it when it's in its carrying case is ideal for sliding long ways into a backpacking backpack. The only downside is that it takes some extra strength to unfold the cot the first few times, but after a while, it gets less strenuous to put together. Reasons to buy. The cot is extremely lightweight at just 2.13 pounds, and the comfort it provides is unmatched. Reasons to avoid. It takes some extra strength to unfold the cot the first few times. Number 3. Alps Mountaineering Camp Cot XL. We love that the Alps Mountaineering Camp Cot XL provides a generous amount of space for campers at 86 inches long and 40 inches wide. For the most part, the cot was simple to put together and take apart since it comes with just a few pieces. But assembly might be easier with 2 people because of the heavier weight of the materials. We think having an extra taut canvas to sleep on is worth putting some extra effort into getting the canvas onto the frame. The cot is comfortable to sleep on, but if you want to add extra cushioning, a therm-rest pad or blanket could make it even more comfortable. Additionally, in a 6-person tent, the cot took up a good amount of space, so you'll want to make sure you have enough room to fold it out comfortably. Reasons to buy. The length and width provide generous space for campers in need of the extra room. Reasons to avoid. It feels a bit bulky and heavy to carry around. Number 4. BYER of Maine Easy Cot. Setting up a tent can be no small feat, so for additional ease while car camping, the BYER of Maine Easy Cot is your best option. Out of all the cots we tested, this one had the easiest setup by far, and it only took a matter of seconds to have the bed ready to go. The instructions are easy to follow, and they're printed on the side of the bag to make the setup that much more trouble-free. Keep in mind that the cot itself weighs 21 pounds, which is on the heavier side, so we think it's best suited for campers who don't have to carry the cot far, or at all for car camping. This cot was set up in a matter of seconds, making it one of the easiest cots we've ever used. It's definitely bulkier than some backpacking cots, but it didn't take up a ton of room in the back of a car and was easy to stack with other similar-sized gear. Reasons to buy. The setup instructions are straightforward, and it took just seconds to put the cot together. Reasons to avoid. The heavy weight makes it impractical for some trips. Number 5. FE Active Folding Camping Cot. We think the lightweight FE Active Folding Camping Cot is ideal for hikers, backpackers, or campers looking for a cot with superior portability. It only weighs 4.6 pounds, and we particularly like the carrying bag it came with for additional portability. The bag is the perfect fit to carry all of the items for the cot. It is hard to break down the cot, but the portability portion is prime for a hike. The tautness of the canvas makes it slightly tricky to attach it to the base, but after the first few times of putting it together, we found that it gets easier. And even though the canvas is tight around the base, we found the cot very comfortable to sleep on with the perfect balance of stiffness and cushioning. It feels sturdy and didn't wobble when we sat or slept on it, and we felt confident in its durability. Reasons to buy. It's noticeably lightweight, and the carrying bag makes it even easier to transport. Reasons to avoid. There's a learning curve for setting it up and breaking it down. Number 6. Mountain Summit Gear Horizon Cot. Whether you're going on a camping trip or looking to add an extra place to sleep in your guest room, the versatile Mountain Summit Gear Horizon Cot is a solid choice. We found the setup to be simple and quick, as it only took a few minutes to get the 4-piece put together. The size of the cot is perfect for a good night's sleep since it's not too big or too small. The material is taut, and the legs give great stability, even when on uneven ground. There was no sinking when sleeping on the cot for hours. The cot weighs 18 pounds, which was noticeably hefty when we carried it in the bag, so we think it would be best for campsites that are close to the car or to set up in your home. The comfort match with the simple setup makes this cot the best option for a multi-purpose cot that's long-lasting. Reasons to buy. The cot is so comfortable and easy to set up that house guests could sleep on it. Reasons to avoid. It feels heavy to carry around in the bag.